Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make beef enchiladas, and I'll also be making my own enchilada sauce. So if you want to cook with me, stay tuned. Here I'm just showing all of the ingredients I use to prepare the beef enchiladas. If you're interested, I'll have all of the measurements and the ingredients listed in the description box below. In a sauce pot, you want to add your oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can feel free to use any oil of your choice. You want to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of the oil in your pot and add all of your dry ingredients and whisk the ingredients together for a couple of minutes. After whisking your dry ingredients together, you want to add your water, or you can use a stock of your choice. You want to add maybe a half a cup of that and work it around so you can get all of the lumps out like you're making a roux. And here I'm just adding some more water. You just want to use your judgment and get all of the ingredients thoroughly combined together. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and adding a 1/4 cup of water. This is how the enchilada sauce looks after simmering for about 25 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes of simmering, your enchilada sauce should be done. Turn your heat completely off and allow your sauce to cool for about 15 minutes. Here you see me preparing the ground beef. I'm mashing my ground beef with my meat masher. I'll be adding a 1/2 cup of chopped onions, a 1/2 cup of green bell pepper, and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic with a 1.5 tablespoons of my own seasoning blend. After your ground beef is cooked, make sure you drain it and place it back into your skillet. Here I'm adding a half a cup of the enchilada sauce. After adding the sauce, I allowed the meat and sauce mixture to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. In this video, you'll see me make some enchiladas using flour tortillas and also corn tortillas. Here I'm using La Banderita flour tortillas. And here I'm just drizzling a small amount of olive oil inside of a baking dish so that the enchiladas will not stick. To create your enchiladas, you want to put your meat in your shell and place some cheese inside and roll it up and put it inside of your baking dish. For these enchiladas, I'll be using a Colby Jack blend cheese and mozzarella cheese, but feel free to use any of your favorite cheeses. After you've rolled your enchiladas and placed them in your baking dish, you want to pour some of your enchilada sauce on top. Feel free to pour as much sauce as you like, then top with your favorite cheeses. Last, you want to bake your enchiladas for about 45 minutes to an hour in a preheated oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm preparing to make the corn tortilla beef enchiladas, and I'm warming up the corn tortillas on a flat grill, cooking them about 45 seconds to a minute on each side so they'll be pliable enough to roll.